Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to disable Google Assistant. First, open the Settings application. Scroll down to locate a tab named Google Services and open it. Continue scrolling down until you find the section titled Settings for Google Apps and open it. Look for the tab labeled Search, Assistant, and Voice and open it. Next, find and open the tab named Google Assistant. Scroll down within Google Assistant settings until you reach a section labeled General. Open the General section where you will see Google Assistant at the top, indicating that it is currently turned on. To turn it off, tap on the left side where it says Turn Off. A prompt will appear, confirming if you want to turn off Google Assistant. Press Turn Off to complete the process. You have successfully disabled your voice assistant. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.